Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome each and every one of you here today to this great day to witness with me the marriage that we're about to celebrate between Hikitine and Aine. Marriage is a commitment to life, to the best that two people can find and bring out in each other. It offers opportunities, sharing and growth that no other relationship can equal. It is a physical and emotional joining.
From the moment I met her on that mountain 6.5 years ago, she has shown me so many good qualities in a person that I didn't think were possible.
Aine was always a daddy's girl, really, from day one. Aine has spent probably the best part of her small years in our bed, myself and Paula. Aine would she'd just open the door, come in, there'd be no talking, no mom, dad, right and dads. She'd just slip in between the two of us. I'd move, Paula'd move. She'd just come in and everybody would sleep in 2 minutes.
Oh, I can't believe it. Check this out.
Heike was a quiet child. His temper, it was mild. His mother, Liz, she proudly boasts that he was the perfect child. Love, it started to blossom. For Heike, it was bliss. It was in Longhorn's pub that he stole that long-awaited kiss.
I promise to encourage your compassion because that is what makes you unique and wonderful. I promise to nurture your dreams because through them your soul shines. I promise to help shoulder our challenges, for there is nothing we cannot face if we stand together.
Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do.
Hikitine, today I choose you to be my husband, my partner in life. From the moment our paths crossed, you have captivated and challenged me in a way no human being ever has. I accept you for who you are, and with that I promise to encourage and inspire you, to teach and learn with you, and to always listen with compassion.
You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high.
Call upon the persons here present
To witness that I, Hikitine,
to witness that I, Hikitine,
take thee, Aine,
take thee, Aine,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
To life, I just wanna be there to life. Your sugar like you do. Yes, please, like you do. Won't you come and put it down on me? Love me like you do. I'm right here like you do.
I promise to always give your daughter the love and respect she deserves, to give her the best possible life I can provide for her, just as you have always done for your family. You have such a wonderful family, and I feel privileged to now be a part of it.
I need your loving, I need it now. When I'm without you, I'm something weak.
Aine and Heike were made for each other. This nobody can deny. Aine would say a perfect match. Heike, Vakare Pai. We wish you both a happy life, full of joy and laughter. Harry Imure Imure, a happy ever after.
She is always an optimist in pessimistic times. She lives her life as if the glass were always half full, with vodka soda.
Love me like you do, sugar like you do, yes please like you do. It's been a long day without you, my friend.
So by the power invested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now seal the promise with another kiss.